In this episode, we want to look at some word problem in mathematics, where questions are given in a story form, and based on that, we derive equations to solve for whatever we are looking for. Let us look at question 1 and see how we can derive equations from what is given to us. We have been told in the question that 8,000 people attended a football match in a stadium. So as a good student, what do? You write your data down. So that is the total number of people that attend the show. So total number of people, so we write it down nicely to be 8,000. Okay. The question continues. The price of ticket were $50 for VIP stand. So again, we have price for that is VIP stand. So we write that down as well, and that is $50. Again, we also have price for that is popular stand. So price for our popular stand is also given to us nicely. So we also have $30, and we have the total revenue generated. So total revenue generated is also given as $250,000. Let us see what we are looking for. Find the number of each ticket sold for each stand. So we don't know the number of tickets sold to popular stand and VIP. So what do? We use a variable to represent them. So we can say let x equal to number of ticket, all right, number of ticket for VIP stand, all right, stand, nicely. Again, y equal to number of ticket, all right, for popular stand, all right, nicely. Now, let's see how we can go by this question. Now, since we have the total number of people that attend the show, we can say that our x plus our y should be equal to 8,000, which means the number of tickets sold to VIP stand plus number of tickets sold to popular stand should be equal to this. Then we name it equation what? Equation 1. Since we have the total revenue given in the question, how can we derive equation from this? Now, the price for VIP stand times that is number of tickets for VIP stand plus the price for popular stand times number of tickets sold to popular stand should give us what? This total amount. So we can say our 50 times x plus our 30 times y should give us 250,000 as given in the question. So we have two equations on the board, equation 1 and equation 2, which we are going to solve them simultaneously. Now we can either use elimination or substitution approach, but let us try and use elimination approach here. Let us try to eliminate our y. And how can we do that? We need to make sure that the coefficient of y in equation 1 here is the same as the one in equation 2. Therefore, to make sure that here becomes 30 as this, we multiply the whole of the equation by 30. So we say 30 by equation 1, all right? So we multiply 30 by the whole of equation 1 as 30 by this will give us 30x plus our 30y. When we multiply 30 by this, we are going to have 240,000, all right? Then we can name it equation 3 as we can see here. So we solve these two equations simultaneously. Let us see how we can eliminate our y here. So it's simple. We can say that equation 2, all right, minus equation 3. Nicely. So let us subtract and see. So we have 50x minus 30x, and that will give us 20x. Nicely. Because 30y minus 30y will give us 0. So we don't put our 0 here. Then we have 250,000 minus 240,000, which will arrive at 10,000 nicely. Now we can get our x by dividing through by 20, all right? And when we divide, our x is going to be, that is 500, all right? How can we get our y? We can fix x into any of the equations to get y, but equation 1 will be easy. So fixing x here, we have 500, all right, plus y equal to 8,000, as we can see here nicely. So our y will be equal to 8,000 minus 500. So our y is going to be 7,500, all right? So we can conclude that the number of tickets sold, all right, to VIP stand is what? 500, as you can see on the board, and the number of tickets sold to popular stand is what? 7,500, as we can see. Use the format and approach here to answer question 2 and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you.